A ruling in the case of national hammer throw record holder Nayoka Clunis has been extended and will now be handed down at noon Paris time on Monday. That's 5 a.m. Jamaica time, after a hearing before the ad hoc division of the Court of Arbitration for Sport CAS on Saturday.
The matter lasted 1.5 hours, with the three-member panel hearing oral submissions from Clunis' attorney, Dr. Emir Crown, as well as representatives of the Jamaica Olympic Association, JOA, and the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, J3As. There were also oral submissions from World Athletics and the International Olympic Committee, IOC. Ben Cisneros represented the J3As, Ian Wilkinson KC made submissions on behalf of the JOA, Catherine Petre appeared for World Athletics, while Antonio Rigosi appeared on behalf of the IOC. Dr. Crown and fellow attorney Saeed Bernard filed a motion with the ad hoc division of CAS Thursday to dispute Clunis' non-inclusion in the hammer throw competition. In communications seen by TVJ Sports, the J3As admitted to the error, which led to Clunis' name being left off the list sent to World Athletics. The J3As blamed electricity and internet issues associated with the passage of Hurricane Beryl for the error. The three-member panel is made up of only women, with one from Australia, one from France, and the other from the USA.